And just like that, we're back with another video. Hi guys, Ashli Nykole here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, welcome to our YouTube channel. First, before we even get into what this video is, I really want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, to our family. We are literally at 99 subscribers and I'm literally forever grateful. I would love to do a giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers. I won't put all the information in this particular video just because I haven't worked it all out yet, but it for sure will be in the next video of exactly what the giveaway will entail, how the winner will be picked, and we will go from there. But again, before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. Also, don't forget to go and follow the Instagram. It's Ashli Nykole. I will put it somewhere on the bottom of the screen. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. I was actually kind of struggling with today's video idea. I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do, but on a whim, I decided to do a video on the best leggings for running because I actually did a half marathon for my birthday in February, and I've actually been doing the 30-day run a mile every day for 30 days challenge, which will be up on my YouTube channel very soon. But then I thought running has been an important part of my life for the last couple of months, so why not share with other people what are my favorite run leggings. So that's what today's video is going to be. I wanted to share the top 3 brands of leggings that I gravitate towards when it's time for me to go on a run. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So the first brand of leggings that I'm going to show you are by a brand on Amazon called Colourfulkoala. They are literally my favorite leggings. So I bought them because they were supposed to be dupes for the Lululemon Align leggings, which in some ways they are, but it's a good enough dupe if you don't want to spend the 90 something dollars on a pair of leggings. From the Colourfulkoala brand, I have 2 leggings that are my absolute favorite. So my first favorite pair of leggings are these Buttery soft high-waisted 7/8 length yoga pants. These leggings retail for $22.99. I love these pants. So I also have them in full length and a red pair, and then I have the capri and the black pair. Again, these particular leggings are supposed to be similar to the Lululemon Align leggings. They kind of are, except their material feels a little bit more durable, meaning not as fragile. You can do high intensity workouts in them. The material is a brushed material, and the waistband, it has a little bit more compression, but they don't fall down. So when you're running, you don't have to keep pulling up your leggings. Waistband is pretty high. It does cover my belly button. Again, these are 7/8. On me, they're actually 7/8. The leggings are very sweat wicking and they dry pretty quickly when wet. So I've worn these to run 5 miles, 6 miles, and of course over time they do show some sweat because you're running for so long and that's a lot of sweat, but they do dry very quickly. Now the only thing about these is that they don't have any like inner pockets, so if you were running and you wanted to store like keys or snack, gummies, or a phone, these particular leggings do not have that. I like to run with my phone in my hand. It gives something to hold on to, but I know some people who run would love to have that. So if you're looking for that particular feature, these particular leggings don't have that, but my next pair do have pockets. The next pair that I absolutely love to run in is also from the Colourfulkoala brand. It's actually the same exact material as the first legging that I just showed you, so it's still the Buttery soft legging in 7/8. I got it in this forest green color, but these have pockets. So they do have side pockets, which is what makes them a little bit better than the other pair in my opinion. So if the first pair you're like, and they sound amazing, but the only downfall, they don't have pocket, well this pair does. So these are a little bit more expensive than the previous pair. They are $25 instead of $22, but I mean you're getting pockets, so it's a little bit, you're paying a little bit for the little extra. There are no pockets on the inside due to the material being the same as the previous legging. Of course these are sweat wicking. I wore these when I actually ran my half marathon, so I ran 13.1 miles in these leggings and I had no issues out of them. There was no falling down. I was able to put like my little snacks in my pockets, my little gels, my little sports beans, and then I also was able to put my phone. And I ordered my true size in both pair of leggings. I just got a medium because that's what I get in all leggings. And if you're worried about sizing, what size should I get, I'll put my measurements down below. And also remember, I'm going to link the in-depth review of these leggings at the top, so if you want to get a more in-depth review, a little bit more about the leggings in general, it'll be in that video. So the next pair of leggings aren't particularly marketed as running leggings literally at all, but for me, I love to go to them to go running in because they just feel so secure. They hold you in and they make you look amazing all in one. And those leggings are my Nasty Fit contour leggings. These leggings are one of my all-time favorite for running as of right now. There have been leggings that when I go running I've been gravitating towards. They just make you feel so secure. The waistband is very snug. They are 7/8, so they do go pretty far down on me because again I'm 5'2". Everything, literally everything is almost full length on on me. They're sweat wicking, they're a light fabric, they're breathable, so when you're running you just feel light as air, and that's a really big quality to me because you have to think about you're running for a long time, especially if you're training for something, or if you're just running a mile and it's 78 degrees outside, you're hot. But to have on leggings that feel as light as a feather but you still feel like you're being held together and compressed, they aren't necessarily a running legging. They're not built for running. I've run in them, I don't even know, past month, and I haven't had any issues with my stitching or them ripping. They feel light, they hold you in, and to me they're a really good running legging. Again, one of the downfalls of these other running leggings is that there are no pockets, so if you're a person who's like, I have to have pockets on my running leggings, then these probably won't be the legging for you. So one thing I've actually really noticed and that I'm kind of surprised is that there's no peeling with these leggings. So you know when you're running, the leggings rub together, there's friction, so the fabric will peel. This fabric has not done that at all. So again, if you're worried about like, well, that's $50, I want them to be durable, I want to be able to wear them over and over and over, this pair you definitely can. And these leggings were $55, so they're a little bit more expensive than the Colourfulkoala, but you're investing in yourself. So last but not least, in my favorite leggings to go running in are my Lululemon Wunder Under leggings. I have them in this camo leopard print kind of vibe. I love to run in these leggings. So they're like the Alines, but a little bit more durable. So they're meant for high intensity workouts. These were a pretty penny. They were $110, more expensive than both of the previous pairs that I showed you, but I wanted to show you a range. These leggings are full length on me. I'll hike them up sometimes to make them 7/8, but they fall full length on me. I haven't experienced any peeling while running in these leggings. I haven't experienced any like stitching tears, and I've had them for almost a year. So for the past 4 or 5 months, I've been wearing these leggings to run in because I wore them when I was training for my half, and I've been wearing them recently while running for a YouTube video that I'm shooting, and so they hold up very, very well. They don't have any outward pockets, meaning there's no pockets on the outside of the leggings. There's one pocket in the back, so if you're a person who carries your keys, you can stick them back there, card, license. That's an area that you can put those items in while you run, and they will be safe and secure. Okay, so the pocket is actually kind of small, so I'm not sure if your phone will fit, but let's give it a try on camera so we can see. For the people who like to put their phones away and don't like to hold them, I like to personally hold my phone. Okay, well the phone is all the way in there. This is my phone, if you can see it, and it fits. So you won't have outward pockets, but the back pocket is actually pretty big, if it can fit literally my whole phone. I got a size 6 in these leggings. All of my Lululemon leggings I get a size 6 in. So that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it showed you a different range of leggings that you could wear, because your leggings don't have to be the most expensive leggings, and they don't have to say run leggings in the description for them to be leggings that you can actually run in. You can buy leggings for $20 to run in, or you can buy leggings for $110 to run it, and they all get the job done. So thank you guys for tuning into today's video. Again, thank you for our 99 subscribers, and if you're watching and you're not a subscriber, join our family. Again, I really want to do a giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers, so the contest details will be in the next video, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you're notified of that next video, so that you can be made aware of the giveaway that I'm gonna hold on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video.